Welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make the drop down menu. How you can make the drop down menu with in HTML. How to make the drop down menu in HTML. So yeah, okay, let's start. So I've already type here the H1, the drop down menu which we want to make. So just for you to know what we are doing. In the previous tutorial we discussed about the progress bar and the rest. So you can see, you can visit my previous tutorial to see how we get to this point. So this is all what we have been doing in this tutorial, because I'm taking my time to teach you guys how to start how you can build your own website by yourself. So we are starting with HTML first, and later we'll be going to CSS. So far so good. We have been able to start with the H1 tag. You can see we have already did a lot of things. So you can check my previous videos to see how far we have gone and how far we are really doing in this tutorial. So please, today we'll be discussing about drop down menu. So our drop down menu, so let me start with the label. So let me label what we want to do. For example, if we are asked to make a drop down menu of, let me say, names, for example, just use names. So let me say tick. So no, let me use choose your name. Choose your name. Sorry, so choose your name. So now let's go down. So let me use the select so that it will be very easy for us to do. So we have the ID there, which will be the, so we have the name and the ID. So those are the attributes. So we're just going to make use of the ID. Let me just make use of the ID, which I will say it will be what, names. Make it to be names, and so now we'll be making use of the option tag. So now the option tag. So we have the value. So now what's the value going to be? Let me say the name. Let me start with the name Ayo. So let me have it here, Ayo. So another option. So you can be seeing this from the website already. So you can be seeing this from the website already. So it is now showing from on our website. So you see immediately we are working on our website, and immediately we are working on our code, it will be displaying on our website. So that is the function of our live server extension. So another option value, let me say tt. So tt, another value, another option, let me say any. I'm having it here, any. Another value, let me say mountain. See, so we are having it here. So you see, let me check. Oh, my system is very slow today. Sorry about that, my system is very slow today. I don't know what really happened. So you see, we really have it now. So let me add more names. Let me say option. Let me write look. That's the value we are having, and let me say look. Another option, let me say value star. let me say Esther, sorry, okay, Esther, let that value the okay. I think this is okay. So you can make as many options as you want. You can make your drop down menu to be very very long. So let's check again. You can see, so we have this, so I can tick. So once I tick, you see the name I tick is the mountain. So I can come and tick Esther. I have Esther there, so I can come and tick Ini. I have Ini there. I can come and tick Ayo. I have Ayo there. I can, so you can use this for your form, for your website. You can use it for so many things. You can use it for anything you want on your website, depending on the kind of website you want to build. You understand? It depends on the kind of website you want to build. So that is how we are going to design this. So when we get to CSS, we are going to design this more. You understand? We are going to add some borders, some other stuff to make it more beautiful. You understand? So when we go to CSS, we are going to do that. And when we go to JavaScript too, we are going to add some functionality, you understand, to this drop down menu. You understand? It is just like this. So with CSS and JavaScript, we can make it to be more dynamic, more beautiful, can make it to have more action. So that's how you can make drop down menu using your CSS. So thank you. Sorry, that's how you can make your drop down menu using your HTML. So thank you for watching my tutorial. The next tutorial, we are going to discuss about something wonderful again. So do well to follow me, do well to subscribe. Thank you all.